Alright, to start, you need isopropyl alcohol. 91% is what I use. They also have 70%, and that's fine. I stick my model inside of a jar with isopropyl and let it sit there for 30 minutes. And look at it, the paint just kind of starts to dissolve off whenever I pulled it out of there. And you can see it's starting to rub off on my hands as well right here pretty much. And then I brush it with an old toothbrush, or you can go buy a really cheap one. And I try to get all the crevices, and I'll repeat this step several times. You know, I'll brush it, dunk it, brush it, dunk it, as you'll see coming up here shortly. Sometimes I'm not as aggressive with this brushing, and it almost just pulls the layer of paint right off, like I was going slow right there on that shield. So here you can see that I'm dunking it, trying to repeat the process to get as many layers as I can off. It doesn't look like it's really doing a great job, but as you can see right here, after doing it 2 or 3 times, it goes well. After I'm done getting the paint off, I'll wash it in just dish soap and warm water, and I'll scrub it pretty vigorously once or twice, and I'll go rinse it off in the sink. This kind of allows you to get all of the extra particulates that were stuck on the model off, and then you can see right here it looks pretty dang beautiful. There is some minor stuff left on the model, but it doesn't hurt anything after you prime it. As I'm priming the model, I wanted to stress the importance of finding the best method that works for you, that's affordable, within your budget, and efficient, right? Another great method is LA's Totally Awesome. You have to let it soak for about a day or so, but beyond that, it's another great method. And then here's how it looks after I've, stripped it and primed it. I think it looks great. So now you know how to strip models the way I do. Hey, if you're interested in seeing how I paint this Terminator I just primed, go ahead and stick around. I'm going to show you how I do a really simple airbrush method and nothing but paint on a palette. It doesn't take long at all, and I think it produces pretty great results for a quick paint and to get something to tabletop quality. So yeah, I'll see you later.